Today I'm going to be making 3 scroll sawing projects to sell at the markets. They're fast to make, easy to produce and quick to sell. Using reclaimed wood keeps the cost low and it also adds a story to the product. So everything I'm going to make today is designed around 3 things. Quick to build, nice to look at and price to sell. So when I do the sanding, I'm going to be taking off the edges. This one's really easy and really quick to make. So from here, just going to go around using the little chisel to take off the bits where the cloth's draped over the cross. Just sanding off the rough edges. I'm liking that. And one final sand down using the 320 grit paper. I've applied 1 coat of light oak stain to the cross itself, and with my acrylic pens I'm going to paint the sash. So that's the first project finished. We have our cross. I ended up doing the draping purple because I like that, but I'm also going to be making some more of these and I'm going to be putting a cloth over them. I actually think they're going to be quite a good seller on these ones, so I should be making 5 or 6 more of these to take out with me for the first show. So here I'm cutting a decoupage bunny, and this one's a seller because every piece looks different. I'm using the same pattern, but they look totally unique. This means the customer feels that they're buying something special and something that's not mass produced and selling in the pound shops. So there's little time in making these, they have a visual impact on the stall and there's profit to be made. The third piece is a bunny holding the Easter egg. The parents buy them, the grandparents buy them, the aunties and the uncles. It's cute, it's seasonal and it has character. It also triggers impulse buyers, especially when there's more than one child in the family. I've chosen to use wallpaper on these, but you could use napkins. So with the second project finished, we've got the decoupage bunnies. You could use serviettes on these as well. I've just done a pink one and a blue one for the girls and the boys. But these should go really well. We've got the little Easter bunny that holds the egg with the toy inside. Last year, these were a really good seller with the 3D prints. So why not try one yourself with the wood? That'd be a great success. And with these trays, I've used 2 layers of wood, the 9mm and the 3mm ply. Changing the blades on this new machine is so much easier. So that's it. Our third project's finished. We've got the Easter bunny trays, and as you see in the video, I did cut out the outside separately so that we've got a indent to hold the sweets. I made the mistake of sticking them on first. So when I did the varnishing, it did bleed through. So when I make the rest of these to take to market, I will be varnishing the outsides in different colours just to give it a bit of contrast. 3 projects ready for market. The cross that I'm going to do different versions of, the decoupage bunnies, my Easter trays that have been stained, and I'm going to do those in 2-tone as well. And I'm ready for the markets. And if you've enjoyed this video, maybe you'd like to click this link here as well. Thank you.